we managed to get our hands on something real special for you guys. One of the most sought after classics, the 260Z. So as you can see, she's sitting on some nice lowered suspension and the grippy boys all around, the Toyo Proxes tyres. If you come around the back, it's got the custom headers all the way through 2.5-inch exhaust. Now to my favourite bit, the interior. Fully restored with new carpet, leather trim, with even Z emblems on the headrest, and of course, the 5-speed manual. With double entries now live and capped at only 6,000 entrants, gone are the days of thinking a classic car like this is out of reach. For as little as $30, this car could be in your garage. So head to keeperreet.com right now.